Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to attach a file from your Messenger application. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already installed the Messenger application in my mobile device and have updated it to the latest version. If you have not, do update it right now. Now let's try to send a file to our friend. Right here is my friend Tom, and I want to send him a message. Well, from right here, there are many options, like I can type a message to him, I can send a voice message, I can send images as well. But what we want to focus on right now is on the leftmost section. There's a plus like button, simply click on it. From here, you can share a file to your friend. Simply click on the button that says choose files, just click on it. Then from your mobile device, select any file that you wish to send to your friend. I'm gonna select this file, and once it's okay, I'm gonna click on the open button right here. Then as you can see, we have successfully attached a file and sent it to our friend through our Messenger application on our mobile device. Well guys, that's it. That's how we attach files from Messenger. Do note that you can also send photos and videos like this as well. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.